the forces unleashed terror on these terrorists. In fact, we have details of how this entire operation had been planned and executed with precision. Now, how was the name Operation Mahadev given? Let's talk about that first. It was named after the mountain peak close to Srinagar, and there were calls that were intercepted by our forces, and that was a key intel that was given, after which the terrorists who were hiding were brought out and they were flushed out and gunned down. So we have details of how the entire operation was in fact carried out. We in fact have details of how it had been launched on the 18th, after which with precision based on intel it was carried out. My colleague Priyank Tripathi is joining us on the broadcast with that scoop. Priyank, take us through the timeline of how the entire operation unfolded. We're told that it was started on the 18th, but the forces were waiting very, very carefully for credible information and the precision location of where these terrorists were actually holed up.
See, Pratibha, since the time this Pahalgam massacre happened, the security forces were on a massive manhunt. Around 7,000 security forces from the Indian Army, CRPF and the local police were camping in these densely dense mountain range here in the Kashmir Valley. Later to that, on 18th, there was an intercept which was pointed out by the security establishment, which led to this massive operation. And it's landed very close to the Srinagar Valley, which is a densely populated area. And what we got to know, that around 2 a.m., the tent where these terrorists were hiding was located by the security forces, and then from all the four corners the manhunt was launched, and finally these three terrorists have been eliminated. What security forces are right now looking at, because over the night the massive search and combing operation with night vision cameras were launched by the security forces, knowing the fact that there could be one or two terrorists who were facilitating these kind of arms and ammunition and as well as ration to these three terrorists could be hiding in the area, because the recovery is clearly indicating that there have been 16 to 17 hand grenades which has been recovered from the position. There was a ration which was sufficient for these terrorists to survive for another 2 to 3 months. But what is very alarming is the presence of these terrorists in the Mahadev Mountains. The Mahadev Mountains, for the benefit of our viewers, let me tell it to them, it is not too far away from the Dal Lake. It is right behind the Dal Lake. There is Shalimar Garden, which people would have heard about, and right opposite to the Shalimar Garden is the Mahadev Mountain Peak, which is a wildlife sanctuary also. So this location being chosen by the terrorists to do recce or further possible attack cannot be ignored. We were there waiting that there could be a proper statement which can come out from the Indian Army regarding the identity of these terrorists. But what we have already got to know, that these three were from Pakistan. They were trained in Pakistan. In fact, one of them was a special forces commando of the Pakistan Army. So this kind of development which is happening in Srinagar could be highlighted once again in the parliament. We are expecting that the Home Minister will be giving his statement, and since his name has been spoken about time and again for the lapses which have been claimed by the opposition, there will be detailed statement in the parliament too regarding the kind of Operation Mahadev which has been launched by the forces. While talking about the operation, is still continuing. The search operation is still continuing in the Mahadev mountain peak.
Okay, all right. So there was a relentless search for these terrorists, and this is the moment that the entire country had been waiting for as well, isn't it, Priyank? In fact, more details coming in of how this